Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a top-open washing machine. First, open the lid and gently place your clothes into the drum, distributing them evenly around the central agitator. It's crucial not to overfill the machine. Aim to leave at least 6 inches of space from the top rim. This allows for proper water circulation and effective cleaning. Remember to sort your laundry beforehand by color, fabric, and how dirty it is to prevent damage and ensure the best results. Next, let's talk about detergent and cycle selection. For most top loaders, especially newer models, use high-efficiency or HE detergent. Add the recommended amount to the designated dispenser, usually located on the rim or agitator. Then, select your wash cycle. Options like normal, delicates, or heavy-duty cater to different fabric types and soil levels. Finally, choose the right water temperature: hot for whites, warm for most colors, and cold for darks or delicate items. Once your clothes are loaded and settings are chosen, it's time to start the wash. Simply close the lid firmly. The machine will then begin to fill with water, and the agitator will start its cleaning motion. It's best to avoid opening the lid once the cycle has begun, as this can pause the wash and potentially affect the cleaning performance. Let the machine complete its full cycle for the best and most efficient cleaning of your laundry. To keep your top-load washing machine running smoothly, regular maintenance is key. After each wash, leave the lid open for a few hours to allow the drum to air dry, preventing mildew and odors. Periodically clean the detergent dispenser and the drum itself with a washing machine cleaner. Always remember to check pockets before loading clothes. Small items like coins or keys can damage the machine's internal components and lead to costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.